it's Happy Mail Queen. I'm back to share this big package from my BFF. Oh my goodness, I've been booed again, and I know this is from my friend Erica. She told me she was sending me a package. She does this to me every year. She always boos me every year. And this year is no exception, and I know it's going to be amazing. I haven't opened anything, but everything she creates, it's amazing. You guys know Erica, Scrapdiva29. She is just very, very creative and always making all kinds of fun projects. So let me go ahead and open this, and I'll be right back. So she sent me this box, and I'm sure it's full of goodies. And thank you for all this bubble wrap. I love it. It's pink. Okay, so anyway, this is something for Christmas. So let me go ahead and actually do the box for us. I mean, look at this cute box, you guys. So she altered a ready-made box here. And it's pretty big and it's heavy, you guys. And she put Boo to You. I love that. Is that a die? Oh my goodness. I don't think I've seen you haul that die. Anyway, she has Boo to You, and she put these little ghosties. And then she has a layer of tulle. So really pretty. And I think this is a, I'm not sure. Is this the paper from Joann's, maybe? The one I didn't get. But anyway, look how cute. And then she has some pretty ribbon on the edges. And then the side looks like that. She has a little jack-o'-lantern. And then in the back, I know for sure this one is a Halloween paper from Joann's, because I have this one from, was this one from last year or the year before? But I love this paper, I remember. So cute. Thank you. So let me go ahead and we're gonna dig in. I told you this is like a huge box. So she has a Happy Halloween there with a cute, that's another big die. That's a pretty big spiderweb die there. And then she has these, not sure if these are Coco and Reno. Kind of looks like it. But she has a cluster of, what are these? Like little a banner die. She has this cute little ghosty with green eyes. How adorable. And it's a big sticker. I think it's one of those like cling stickers. And then look at these cute little candy corn. Is that not adorable? Okay. So in here, okay, this is another Christmas. How cute. I love that. It's so pretty. I knew she was playing with one of these dies, and she created a shaker. You guys know Erica has an amazing collection of dies. So there is a little card for me here. I'm gonna read that in a minute. Let's do, I think I want to just do like her little Halloween stuff, because it looks like there's Halloween, there's Christmas. We send each other probably you know, a couple of packages each year, and so it's always fun because it's always like full of lots and lots of fun things that we've kind of like accumulated, you know, in the past months. Oh my gosh, what is this? Oh, I almost forgot about this. So she said she got me this die set because I commented on one of her channels, one of her Ooh, can't even talk. I commented on one of her videos, and she had these die cuts, and I was like, oh, I love those. See this one? It says Boo, Eek, and Candy, and they were like nice and big, and they have the little loops, so they're little tags. Oh, thank you so much. I love it. I will definitely be using this, not just for Halloween, but I can use that candy all year round. I love that die. Thank you so much, BFF. And then, oh, she cut me one of these. Oh, okay. Oh, great. So it's like a little easel, so I can display this card. Oh, that is amazing. Yay, thank you. I will definitely be displaying this. Look how pretty. And look at this one. It's a different font. It says Happy Halloween. And these are Coco and Reno dies that she used here. Okay, and then it's just one, it's a one size card, and then here she left me a message in the back. Aww. Just a little something. Oh, okay. A little something. You packed the stuff, girl. Thank you so much for that. I will definitely display that. And then she packaged it. I don't know what she's talking about. She said she doesn't do well with her packaging, but girl, you got this down, okay? Oh, and oh yeah, I showed you the front already. Oh, this is so cute. I don't have these bats. Thank you so much. And they're like pastel Halloween colors. Yay. Super cute. I'm not quite done making stuff for Halloween. I mean, I'm almost done, but I think I'm going to make just a couple more things this week. So yay, thank you for that. It'll make my projects much easier. Oh, and look, she made me a wand. Isn't this pretty? This is like too pretty for Halloween. It says Happy Halloween, and I think this is, again, a Coco and Reno. I love that one. And I did not get that die set because, you know, I don't have a subscription. But this is so pretty. Thank you so much. Love pastel Halloween. And I love that. And she used the Pinkaboo paper for this one. Yay! I love your bow. It's like so many layers. And all these cute little, love these. Thank you, girl. All right, so then she has this little tag. Isn't that cute? Or like a little, yeah, it's a little tag. How cute is that? I love how you put the, you know, the bow kind of askew there. Cute. And then here's another one. Love this. I was never really into sugar skulls, but there's, you know, it's really growing on me. I'm kind of loving it now. It took me a while, but now it's like, I love it. Oh, and thank you so much for this. I did not see this at my Tuesday morning. I had grabbed like 2 or 3 of them, but they weren't this one. And when I saw this one, I was like, oh my gosh, look at the little teacups. Teapots and teacups. So cute. Forever friends. Oh, I love this. Thank you. I love that she finds stuff that I don't find at my store. So look at this one. She got me another one, and I don't have this one. So this is a travel themed one. Thank you. Yay, I can add it to my collection. It's like I've been crazy about wood veneers this year for some reason, because, you know, they're kind of everywhere. Okay, there's more. Oh my gosh. Ah, she got me a die set. Girl, you're too much. Look at this. How cute. A cauldron. This, oh, it's so cute. And look at that cat and the hat. And oh, I like this skull. Very different, because I don't think I have a skull die like that. It's a little more like a sugar skull. And a bone. I don't have a bone die. Thank you. And I love these little bubbles that you can just put on the, so I don't have to like stickle them and stuff. Well, I mean, I can still add stickles to it. But that is so cute. I love it. Thank you, BFF. Oh, and she has it all stitched up. That is so cute. I love your packaging there. Love, love. Oh my goodness. Okay, so there's more. There's more. So there's that pretty die cut again. I just love this. I don't know. I might just have to get that. Oh, and she knows I love Snickers. Love that. So I'm for sure going to be eating that. And look at this one. How cute. Is this candy, or is like one of those No, it's a balloon. I thought it was a balloon. I just didn't kind of feel like it, but yay! One of those whack-a-pack things. Thank you! And this is so cute. Look at this baggie. It's a good size, too. And a little, how cute. Look at the little ghosty. That's also from the Coco and Reno, I believe. Loving their dies, you guys. Their die sets. Both my besties have them. Here's another one. Another little cute. Erica has just all these little treat boxes. Oh my gosh. She's like the queen of dies. I'm telling you. Trick or treat. Look at the bats. Those are different. And of course she has my favorite Halloween candy in there. The Snickers. And oh my gosh. Thank you, girl. Okay, you guys, so you guys know I've been like forever complaining about my Joann's, how they never got any of these papers. I mean, seriously, I think I know of a couple of Joann's, and yeah, both of them don't have it. They don't have any of these. And this was one of them that I wanted to get because it's witch themed. Really cute. So thank you. And I love that they're double-sided. Thank you, girl. She said she got me two. So here's the other one that I'm crazy about. I wanted to also get the 12 by 12, but the 6 by 6 is actually more of my favorite because there's some what do you call it? There's like these, oh, here. The little kids. And I don't think they have that in the 12 by 12, if I'm not mistaken, because I don't recall seeing that. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. You don't know how much I've obsessed over this. And that's why I made so many trips to Joann's this year. This year, or just, you know, in the past few months. Because just searching for that darn paper that I couldn't have. Oh my gosh, I love it. Thank you for this little bag. Oh, look at the spiders. How cute are they? And I don't have this. Wow, is this from Joann's too? I don't remember seeing this. Thank you so much. I love it. So hopefully I still get to use them because Halloween is not over yet. So look at all this pretty stuff. And then she has like a little, that's a pretty corner die there that I don't have. I'm gonna have to ask you where you got that one. So there is the Halloween stuff. And then she sent me Christmas stuff. It's so funny because whenever I send her a package, you know, I just pack everything in there. So it's like Halloween, birthday, Christmas. Yeah. But I didn't send you that much Christmas stuff, so I'm sure I'll be sending you another package. So this one says Merry Christmas. And this is I didn't see this baggie. Where'd you get this baggie? Okay. Anyway, oh, look at that. She gave me one of those, oh my goodness. This comes with the Gloober. They're like foil. Pretty. Love that. Thank you. And I haven't really played with it yet, but I will. I promise I will use that up. Because they're Christmas colors, so, you know, I haven't done, like, I'm still doing Christmas stuff. Oh my gosh, look how cute this little bear. I love this, you guys, and I never found any of the ones with the bear. Like, I found some from this collection, and this is the, what is it called again? Oh my gosh, it escapes me right now, but you guys know this bear. So thank you so much, Girlie. So she's already wishing me Merry Christmas. You're so funny. Thank you. I'm going to cut out that little bear too. Okay. Anyway, I actually, to be honest, I did get the, since I couldn't find any of that collection, you know, that crepe paper collection, which escapes me right now. I ended up getting the digital. Yeah, that's how obsessed I was. Because honestly, I just can't make the trips to Tuesday morning all the time, you know? Not all the time, but you know what I mean. sometimes I get in trouble when I go there, so. And then I think I know what this is. Yay! She got me the holiday sentiment stacker set. Thank you, Erica. I love this. She showed this on her channel, and I was like, oh, I do need to get that, because you guys know I am obsessed with these word dies. And I got the fall one. The fall. So she got me the Christmas one, and I love it. Thank you, Erica. I so appreciate this. And she didn't even have to get this for me, honestly. I was like, girl, it's not even my birthday. And she's like buying me stuff, and I'm like, okay. She already got it for me, so I had no choice. But thank you. I so appreciate it. I love these. Oh my gosh. I just love Queen and Company anything. I just love all their products. And this is the Gloober right here, the Gloober sheets. So if you guys haven't seen these, check it out. Hopefully they come out with some more words, because I'm loving these word dies. So that concludes my amazing happy mail from Erica, Miss Scrapdiva29. Thank you so much, you guys. Check out her channel. And seriously, if you have not subscribed to her, oh my gosh. I think we all are subscribed to her, because she just, girl, she just does so many projects. You have to subscribe to her, because you will get so many great ideas, so much inspiration. She's always creating. She's always posting videos. Follow her on Instagram too, because she's always posting new projects. And yeah, you're gonna get so much inspiration with all the wonderful creations that she makes. So thank you guys for hanging out with me today, and thank you so much, Erica. You are the bestie ever. You know I heart you, girl. Thanks so much, and I'll talk to you later.